Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Samantha and this is Cook and Chat with Sam. Today we're not going to be cooking. We're going to be doing another tutorial on Cricut Design Space. And what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you guys how to do a split monogram using letters or picture images. But before we go ahead and start on that, I'm going to ask you guys to please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And with that said, let's get right into it. So on my screen, you can see three different images, and these are the images I'm going to be showing you how to do. So we're gonna delete these, and then we're gonna start over from scratch to show you how I arrived at these three images. We're gonna be doing one letter, as you can see, and we're gonna be doing two different picture images. So let's get rid of these. And we're going to start with the letter first. So first what we're going to do is open our Cricut Design Space. We're going to start with a clean canvas and we're going to go into text just to write. We're going to change this text because that's the text that I used to write the name on the inside. So we're going to change this. We're going to go to Cricut and we're going to use the standard font, which is the Sans. So we're going to be using the standard Cricut font, which is the Cricut Sans. We don't want that in italics. We're gonna just gonna do regular. We're gonna move this over. Okay, so we're gonna be using the letter M. So we're just gonna make that bigger. So we're gonna unlock it with a little lock at the bottom left of the letter. We're just gonna drag it down. Or actually, you don't have to unlock it. You could just use this and bring it out. But what this does is it brings it sideways or down more if you want. If you want it wider, you can do a longer. But we can just use this. Just going to make it a little bit slimmer. There we go. Okay, so now that we have our letter M, what we're going to do is we're going to go into shapes on the left sidebar and we're going to click on square. We're going to drag our square and we're going to unlock the little lock on the side and we're going to make this into a long rectangle, which is it covers the M and leaves some on the sides. Covers the M and go over the sides. So we're just going to use our grid on our design space to just measure our lines. So we want it about here. But there is good. Okay, so we're going to cover the middle of the M. Maybe cover that part. Okay, so there we go. We're going to be writing Michael, so I need long enough box because it's a long name. So, okay, so now that we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to put our cursor at the top here and we're going to drag it to select both images. And then when we selected that, we're going to press attach, which is at the bottom right of the screen. No, sorry. No, we're not going to select that. We're going to press detach. What we're going to do is, let's go over that. We're going to select it again. Then we're going to press slice. Slice is what we're doing, guys. So it's on the bottom right corner. Yes. We're going to click slice. And now we can see that there's some unwanted pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to X out those because we don't need these pieces anymore. So there, the middle of our M is gone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into shapes again on the left side sidebar. We're going to go back and press square. We're going to unlock it again with the little lock on the side. Then we're going to drag it into a long, slender rectangle. We're going to put it right there. We're going to make it just a little bit shorter because we don't want it so long. Okay, so there we go. So we're gonna leave one right there. And we're gonna need two of these guys, but we're not gonna go back into shapes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the top right corner of our screen, and we're gonna press duplicate, sorry. And now it gives us a twin version of our image, exact measurement and everything. So that's what we want. So we're gonna put this right here. And again, guys, you're just using the grid to kind of guide it to see where it goes. So they're both landing at the same position, the same range. And this looks like it's too far out. Just bringing that a little bit. There you go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is highlight everything, then we're gonna attach it. So it's all together. Now that it's attached, guys, I don't know, I just love to work with this in black. It's all gray. I'm gonna put it in black. There, it's more fancier. Okay, guys, so now that that's all selected and attached, we're gonna be putting in our text messages. So what we're gonna do is go to text on the side left bar, and we're going to write in Michael. And we're gonna put this in the middle of our M, and we're gonna change the font on this to make it a little bit stylish and cute. So we're gonna go into font at the top left corner, and we're gonna go into system, because system has a font that I really like, which is the brush script. So I like this font, sorry. So this is the brush script. And there we go. So we're gonna just put that in the middle right there. And then what we're gonna do now is, so you can play around with it, make it longer if you want. Put it in there like that. I think that is nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the top and drag our cursor all the way over all of this, and then we're gonna press attach. So all of it is in there. And guys, that's our first image. That's our first one. This was not so hard at all. So this is our first monogram image, split monogram image using a letter. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna use a picture image. So we're just gonna put this in the corner there, make it a little bit smaller so we have more space on our canvas to upload all this stuff. So we're gonna go to upload, which is on the bottom left corner of our screen. And I'm gonna choose this dinosaur. Sorry. We're gonna click on it, then we're gonna press add to canvas. Okay, so as we can see, this dinosaur is too big and I can't see my button to make it smaller. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the top, and where you see the H and the W for width and height, I'm just gonna press the down arrow for the height to come in so I can see my arrow at the side to make it smaller and bigger. Okay, so this is cute. I think this is okay to work with. So now, guys, the same steps applies to this one as the first one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to shapes, and we're going to click on the square again. Then we're going to unlock it and make it into a long rectangle. Okay, so this is about good right there. And now that we have that there, we're going to select everything. Then we're going to press slice. And we're going to get rid of the unwanted pieces in the middle that was cut out. And our dinosaur is cut in half. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into shapes, and we're going to get a square. We're going to press the unlock button, and then we're going to make it into a long slender rectangle, and we're going to put it right there at the top. And guys, this is the part that you have to remember. Just duplicate your image. Don't go back into shapes and get it because it might not be the same length. And you can do that if you want, but this is so much easier to just duplicate it so that it's the same exact measurement. Then we're going to put the other piece right there at the bottom. Then we're going to select everything. Then we're going to attach it. Okay, so there we go. So now we're going to go to text and we're going to write Samuel. Okay, so now that we have that, put it there. You can unlock that, make it smaller, make it longer. There we go. And we don't want it touching the line so much. There we go. So now we're going to select it again, guys. And then we're going to attach it. And that is our second image. And this is so cute. This is so cute, guys. There's so much to do with this function, the slice image. And I'm learning as I go. And as I learn, I will show you guys. Okay, so now that this one is done, we're going to make that smaller just by clicking on the little arrow at the bottom right, and we just drag it in. So we're going to put that on that side right there. And then we're going to do the heart. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back into shapes. We're going to click on the heart. And we're going to make it bigger. I like working with it in black. There we go. Okay, so now again, we're going to go back into shapes, guys. We're going to choose square, unlock it, and make it into a long rectangle. Put it across there. Okay, we're going to move this over a little bit so it's not interfering with our dinosaur. So we're going to just put that right there. Okay, guys, so that looks good. So now we're going to select it. And we're going to press slice. Now the unwanted piece, we can just get rid of because we don't need those anymore. And we're going to leave that right there. Now, guys, we're going to go back into shapes. Get another square. Make it into a long, slender piece. And you want it longer than your shape, because that's how the design is. Okay? Or if you don't want it longer, that's up to you, but it looks much better when it's longer. So we're going to duplicate it. So we have the same measurement. We're going to put it down at the bottom right there. Okay. And then we're going to select it, guys. And then we're going to attach it. There we go. And we did not want to select everything. So we're going to undo that. We're going to undo that, guys. Detach, sorry. We can just detach it instead of undoing it because that wasn't working. So what we're going to do is we're going to select just the heart and we're going to attach it. So that is all together. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to go into text and we're going to write our text. We're going to do mom. Now, this is a cute idea for like Mother's Day. For a Mother's Day shirt, Mother's Day mug, just anything. But I'll probably be putting this on a t-shirt for sure. So we're just going to unlock that and make it a little bit longer. Put it there. I hope this gives you some idea, guys, of things that you can make, how to use your Cricut design space, and just cute little things that you can make for your friends and loved ones. Then we just attach that, guys, and there we go. Actually, let me see this one. Somehow I'm not liking this one. Maybe brush strips. Oh, is that it? Okay, guys. So that is that. That is that. So these are our 3 items that we did, 3 images that we did. So you can see, oh, we did the one with the letter, give you an idea of how the letter one looks, and then it gives you an idea of how the ones with like picture images look. So this would be cute for a little boy shirt, little baby. And this would be cute for a mom, a gift, even for yourself, for Mother's Day. And this is my son's name, Michael. This would look cute on a shirt for him also. And this is also my son's name, Samuel. So it could look nice on a onesie or a monkey suit, Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you also share this video. Please comment below what you think, and if this helped you a lot, if I could have done something different, or what you would like to see next. Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.